Welcome to Embodia. Embodia's all-in-one home exercise program allows rehab professionals to prescribe personalized programs, engage with, and educate their patients on their path to recovery. With Embodia's extensive exercise library, you can easily prescribe a wide range of video-based exercises to your patients, including strength and conditioning exercises, which we'll highlight in this video. Exercise videos will showcase an exercise and audio voiceover describing how to complete an exercise. This, along with progress monitoring, empowers and engages your patients to perform their exercises with correct technique. Print-friendly versions of the exercises are available. The exercise library contains resistance band strengthening exercises like the face pull, body weight and strengthening exercises like the IYT on a stability ball, and plyometric exercises like the rotation box jump. The library was also designed to have exercise progressions like the kettlebell staggered hip thrust and the kettlebell single leg hip thrust. The exercise library is also constantly being revised and updated to ensure high-quality videos are available. Plus, you can upload your own library of exercises and record patients being coached through their program. Gone are the days of handing out exercise sheets. Use the Embodia exercise library to empower and engage your patients to be an active part of their rehab.